What you're listening is not wind. It's not movement. It's not something you would ever hear with your own ears. It's radio waves, captured by spacecraft, translated into something we can understand. And what you're hearing is Saturn. At first, it doesn't feel threatening. It almost sounds artificial, like static, like interference, like something broken. But it isn't broken. This is what Saturn actually does. And that's the first problem, because Saturn doesn't behave the way it looks. From far away, Saturn feels peaceful. Soft colors, smooth bands, perfect rings. A planet that looks quiet. But nothing about Saturn is quiet. You just can't hear it from here. Because Saturn is not a place you can land. It's not even a place you can reach. Saturn is a gas giant, which means there is no surface, no ground, no solid layer, no moment where your fall would stop. If you tried to descend into Saturn, you would just keep going. At first, nothing dramatic happens. The upper atmosphere is thin, cold. Around -200 degrees Celsius, a pale layer of hydrogen and helium stretching downward into haze. You wouldn't hit anything, you would simply sink. And for a moment, it might feel almost peaceful until the pressure begins. Saturn doesn't crush you instantly, it builds, slowly. The deeper you fall, the heavier everything becomes. The air thickens, your movement slows. Breathing becomes impossible long before anything else happens. And then the atmosphere starts to act less like air and more like something solid. Because on Saturn, pressure changes reality. The winds don't help. Storms on Saturn can reach over 1,700 kilometers per hour, faster than anything on Earth. But the speed isn't what makes them terrifying. It's the fact that they never stop. On Earth, storms form, and they fade. On Saturn, storms continue. For months, sometimes longer. Entire systems of clouds moving faster than sound, wrapping around the planet endlessly. And inside those storms, lightning. Not brief flashes, not distant thunder. Lightning that can last for months, releasing energy strong enough to illuminate massive sections of the atmosphere. Again and again. If you were inside it, you wouldn't escape the storm. You would become part of it. And then there's the hexagon. At Saturn's North Pole, there is a storm shaped like a perfect six-sided figure. A hexagon. It is larger than Earth. And it has remained stable for decades. No clear explanation. No natural comparison on Earth. A geometric structure, sitting inside chaos. And it doesn't move, which makes it feel less like weather and more like something fixed. But even that isn't the worst part, because the deeper you go, the more Saturn changes. Eventually, the pressure becomes so intense that hydrogen stops behaving like gas. It turns into liquid, and then into something even stranger. Metallic hydrogen, a state where hydrogen conducts electricity like metal. This layer forms an ocean, a vast region deep inside the planet. It's what generates Saturn's magnetic field, and nothing can survive there. Not because it's hot, not because it's fast, but because the pressure is absolute. There is no resistance, no structure, no material strong enough to exist in that environment. Even spacecraft wouldn't last. Anything sent into Saturn would be crushed, heated, and erased completely.